Hello everyone, welcome again to GISE Pathshala. Now the next theory, that is some more criteria of congruency of the triangle. So here friends, SSS congruency is given, means side side side. So if two triangles are given and these two triangle corresponding, all the three sides are equal. Okay, here 3.5, it's also 3.5, 4.5, 4.5, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeters corresponding, all three sides are same. So we can say that this is the both triangles are congruent according to SSS, side congruency rule. So if three sides of one triangles are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so it is a new congruency, that is the side. Now here two right angle triangles are given. So in this that is the new congruency, that is the right hand side congruency, RHS congruency. It says that in the right angle triangle, if two, okay, one angle is same, right angle, and if any two sides, not any two sides, one hypotenuse and any one sides are same. So here hypotenuse are 5 and here one side is 4. So any one side and hypotenuse are same, so we can say that these both triangles are congruent to each other according to right hand side congruency, right hand side angle congruency. So let me see the congruency rule. If in the two right angle triangle the hypotenuse and one side of one triangles are equal, so hypotenuse then one side of the another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Right angle hypotenuse side, right angle hypotenuse side, okay, RHS. So here we learn two new congruency, that is the side congruency, and another is a right angle hypotenuse congruency. Okay, now let me move towards the examples. So here example number 7 is there. In this example two isosceles triangles are there. One triangle is PAB and another triangle is QAB. Okay, these two sides same and these two sides are same. So here we have to prove that line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB, that PQ is the bisector of AB. Okay, so here you have PA is equal to PB, yes, and QA is equal to QB, yes, it is given. We have to show that PQ is perpendicular to AB. So PQ bisect AB, PQ bisect AB. Let PQ intersect AB at C, means PQ है वो AB को C पे bisect करता है. Now can you think the two congruent triangle in this figure? PAQ, PBQ. PAQ means this, PQB this. ये दोनों की हमें congruency prove करनी है. So we can prove it. We can say that these two sides are same, these two sides are same, and this side is common. So according to the side congruency, these two APQ, BPQ, these two are congruent to each other. Yes, okay, so it is proved over here. See here, according to side congruency, PAQ and PBQ. So therefore APQ is equal to BPQ according to CPCT. Now we have to consider AP is equal to BP. AP is equal to BP means here this AP and BP both are same. So now APC is equal to BPC. APC is equal to BPC. Why? Because we know that it is the bisector, right? This PQ is the bisector of angle P. That is, now PC is equal to PB. PC is equal to PC. This PC is common. Yes. AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC, right? So PAC is equal to PBC. PAC is equal to PBC means these two triangles are congruent. कैसे प्रूव किया? ये दोनों साइड सेम है, ये भी सेम है, ये भी सेम है. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू साइड एंगल साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंसी, साइड एंगल साइड, ये साइड सेम, ये एंगल सेम और ये साइड सेम. अकॉर्डिंग टू साइड एंगल साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंसी पहले क्या प्रूव किया था? APQ और एक PBQ, ये दोनों, ये ट्राइंगल और ये ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव किया. अब ये प्रूव किया कि ये दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. ओके, ये हमें पता चल जाएगा साइड एंगल साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंसी के ऊपर से. नाउ ACP प्लस BCP इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. ACP BCP means these two angles is equal to 90 degree, linear pair, right? ACP BCP is equal to 180 degree. Now ACP and BCP Now we can say that ACP and BCP both are same. Okay, according to the RHS, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे हमने ये दोनों ट्राइंगल को प्रूव किया, दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट अकॉर्डिंग टू द SAS, साइड एंगल साइड, साइड एंगल साइड, साइड एंगल साइड. सो वी कैन से दैट दिस टू एंगल्स आर सेम. ओके, सो हम ACP प्लस PBC उसकी जगह पे 2 ACP लिख सकते हैं, इज इक्वल टू 180. सो ACP इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. तो यहाँ पे प्रूव हो गया ACP इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. तो PQ इज द परपेंडिकुलर ऑफ AB. Okay, it is proved over here. Now the next example, that is the example number 8. In example number 8, P is the point equidistant from two lines L and M. At point A, show that line AP bisect angle between them. So यही उसके जैसा, ये 7 जैसा. Okay, वो आपको अपने आप solve कर देना है. Now friends, let me move towards the exercise, that is exercise number 7.3. So in exercise 7.3, question number 1, ABC, a triangle. In triangle ABC and BDC, both are isosceles triangle, means AB and AC same, and here BD and DC same. Okay, BC and vertices AD are the same on the side, AD extended, so everything is given, means these two ABC and DBC are the isosceles triangle. So we have to prove ABD is equal to ACD. We have to prove ABD means this is equal to ACD. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. सो फ्रेंड्स, पहले हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि दोनों में AD कॉमन है. यस, दोनों ट्राइंगल में यस AD इज कॉमन. AB and AC both are same. Why? Because AD and AC both are isosceles triangles, so both are same. This is a common, right? This one is also common. Okay, and also DB and DC are same because this is also isosceles triangle, so this is also same. So this one side same, this one side. So according to SSS congruency, all these three sides are same. So here, see, here it is proved. AB is equal to AC, DB is equal to DC, and AD is common. So ABD and ACD are congruent according to SSS congruency. Okay. Now the next we have to prove that ABP, ACP, ABP means this, ACP, these two are congruent. Okay. So how to solve that we will see. So first of all, ABP and ACP. So from this both, AB and is equal to AC. Okay, AB is equal to AC, right? Next, ABP is equal to ACP. ABP is equal to ACP. Why? Because if these two sides are same, if these two sides are same, the opposite angles are also same. So these and these angles are also same. So ABP is equal to ACP, right? Now AP is equal to AP. This AP is common, and PAB is equal to PAC. PAB is equal to PAC. Right? These two angles are same. So we can say that from these three, we can say that ABP is equal to ABC by side angle side congruency. Now third, AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. AP है वो दोनों को bisect करता है. AP है AP. This is bisect angle A and this also bisect angle D. So we can say that ABP and CAP, ABP, CAP, ये दोनों triangles में, okay, ये दोनों triangle हमें consider करना है. So in this both triangle, BAP is equal to CAP. We know that BAP is equal to CAP, right? According to CPCT. So AP bisect angle A. So AP है वो A को bisect करेगा क्योंकि ये दोनों same है, दोनों angle same है. This and this, BAP and CAP, both angles are same, so we can say that AP is bisect BC. Now in triangle ADB and ACD, ADB, ACD, ये दोनों triangle में हम देखते हैं कि ADB is equal to ADC होता है. ADB is equal to ADC, means these two angles are same, right? Now why it is same? So we can say that अगर हम ये दोनों ट्राइंगल को कंसीडर करें, दिस ट्राइंगल वन दिस ट्राइंगल, सो इसकी अपोजिट एंगल्स भी सेम हो गए. ये दोनों सेम है, इसके अपोजिट एंगल्स मीन्स ये दोनों एंगल, इसका अपोजिट एंगल ये होगा, इसका अपोजिट एंगल ये होगा, ये दोनों भी सेम हो गए. यस. नाउ ADC एंड CDP, ADC, ADB एंड BDP मीन्स ये दोनों का सम होगा 180 डिग्री। ओके, ADB PDB ये दोनों का सम होगा 180 डिग्री। ऐसे ही है ADC और CDP दोनों का सम 180 डिग्री होगा। तो इक्वेशन हमने यहाँ पे दो इक्वेशन लिखे हैं, ADB प्लस BDP इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, ADC एंड CDP। तो ये दोनों को इक्वेशन को अब सॉल्व करना है। ओके, ADB प्लस BDP इज इक्वल टू ADC प्लस CDP। सो ADC की जगह पे हम ADB लिख सकते हैं। सो मैंने यहाँ पे ADP लिख दिया है। सो BDP इज इक्वल टू CDP। सो DP बाइसेक्ट एंगल D और AP बाइसेक्ट एंगल D। बहुत ही ईजी है फ्रेंड्स, बहुत ही सिंपल है। ओके, नाउ द फोर्थ वन, लेट वी सी द फोर्थ वन। AP इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BC। यहाँ पे हमको फिगर में देखना है AP इज द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BC मीन्स यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है, ये हमें प्रूव करना है। सो लेट वी स्टार्ट। APB कॉरस्पॉन्ड टू ACP, ये हमने ऊपर प्रूव कर दिया है। कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ACB हमने प्रूव कर दिया है। सो इसके ऊपर से हम यह कह सकते हैं कि BP इज इक्वल टू PC, राइट। BP इज इक्वल टू PC मीन्स BP इज इक्वल टू PC, क्योंकि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल हमको कॉन्ग्रुएंट कर दिया है। सो BP इज इक्वल टू PC हम कह सकते हैं, यस। नाउ APB प्लस APC, APB APC ये दोनों एंगल का एडिशन 180 डिग्री, क्योंकि ये लीनियर पेयर है, राइट। एंड नाउ APB प्लस APB इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। क्यों? क्योंकि हमको पता है दोनों एंगल सेम है। ओके, सो APB प्लस APB कर दो उसकी जगह पे तो चलेगा, यस। सो APB प्लस APB इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। सो 2APB इज इक्वल टू 180। सो 2 जाएगा डिवीजन में 180 के। सो एंगल APB इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री। सो वी कैन से दैट AP इज परपेंडिकुलर टू BC। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। AD इज एल्टीट्यूड, AD है एक एल्टीट्यूड है ऑफ आइसोस्केलस ट्राइंगल ABC in which AB is equal to AC. So we have to show that AD bisect BC and AD bisect angle A. Okay, so let me see how to solve it. So here I draw the triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC AD bisect BC ये हमें दिखाना है पहले। So ये दोनों AB और AC दोनों सेम है, right? Now we can say that ADB is equal to ADC, both are 90 degree because it's altitude, yes. So these both are 90 degree. So ADB, ADC both are same. Now AD is equal to AD, that is the common, right? So according on, and we can say that BD is equal to DC. So BD is equal to DC. So according to RHS, we can say that ABD and ABD and ACD both are congruent according to RHS, right angle hypotenuse congruency है। Okay, so AD is bisect AC. Now next thing, AD bisect angle A, AD है वो एंगल A को bisect करना है, तो वो कैसे कहेंगे कि BAD and CAD both are same, BAD and CAD both angle are same. Look here friends, BAD CAD both are same, so we can say that these both are same. So AD bisect angle A, बहुत ही easy है। So AD bisect angle A. Question number 3. So question number 3 says that two sides AB, BC are the median of AM and one triangle ABC. So here two triangles are given. In these two triangles, these two sides, ये दोनों side AB and PQ are same, AM and PN are same, BM and QN are same, and AM and PN are the median. Median means सामने की साइड में मिडल में वो उसको इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं। ओके, सो वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट ABM कॉरस्पॉन्ड टू PQN, ABM PQN दोनों कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग है और कॉन्ग्रुएंट है। तो कैसे करेंगे? सो हम कह सकते हैं कि AB इज इक्वल टू PQ, BM इज इक्वल टू QN, AM इज इक्वल टू PN. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंसी, दिस ऑल साइड्स आर सेम. एंड अनदर सेकंड वन दैट वी हैव टू प्रूव, ABC congruent to PQR, ABC congruent to PQR. Okay, so how can we say that? So let I will in this we can say that AB is equal to PQ. Now BM, so BC is equal to QR, क्योंकि ये सेम है, ये दोनों सेम है, तो ये उसका मीडियन है, तो ये दोनों सेम हो गए ना. So these are also same and this angle is also same. B is equal to Q, क्योंकि ये साइड सेम है दोनों की, तो उसके सामने वाला एंगल भी सेम होगा. So angle B is equal to, so according to side angle, side congruency, these two are same. Let I will show you the solution of this sum number 3. Here the congruency is proved. AP is equal to PQ, AM is equal to PN, BM is equal to QN. So according to SSS congruency. And another second proof, that is AB is equal to PQ, angle B is equal to angle Q, and BC is equal to QR. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR according to side angle side congruency. So question 3 is finished over here. So in question number 4, we have to prove that BE and CF are the two equal altitude of the triangle ABC. Using the RHS congruency rule, prove that ABC is the isosceles triangle. हमें ABC को isosceles triangle prove करना है. So first of all, let me draw the figure, a simple figure that I will show you. Here a figure is given. ABC is a triangle. BE and CF are the altitude. Now we can say that in this both triangle, okay, if we consider the triangle BEC, this triangle, and BFC, CFB, this triangle. So BEC, CFB 90 degrees same. BC is equal to BC. BC is common in both, and B is equal to CF. That is given in question. So we can say that BEC and CFB both are RHS congruency. Both are congruent. So EC is equal to FB by CPCT. That is the equation number 1. Now AEB and AFC. AEB, AFC means this AEB, this and this triangle. In this toast triangle, so angle E and angle F are 90 degree. Angle A is common in both, and BE is equal to CF. So according to the angle side angle congruency, AE is equal to AF. Now it is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, if we add equation 1 and 2, so EC and AF and FB plus AF. So EC plus AE. Where is EC? EC plus AE and AF and FB. So EC और AE की प्लेस पे हम AC लिख सकते हैं, और AF और FB की प्लेस पे हम AB लिख सकते हैं. तो AB is equal to AC. So ABC is isosceles triangle. So it is proved. यहाँ पे यह prove हो गया. Okay. So here question number 4 is also finished. Now the last one, question number 5. ABC is an isosceles triangle. In this, AB is equal to AC. So we have to draw AP perpendicular to BC to show that B and C. We have to show B and C both angles are same. Okay. So first of all, here we have to draw the figure. First of all, ABC, here AB and AC both are isosceles sides, both are same, and APB and APC both are same, both are 90 degree. So APB is equal to APC 90 degree, AB is equal to AC, and also AP is equal to AP. So according to the congruency, right hand side congruency, one side is common and hypotenuse is common. So APB and ACP are congruent triangle. So angle B is equal to angle C. According to CPCT, corresponding parts of the congruent triangle are equal. So we can say that angle B is equal to angle C. So here we finished our exercise number 7.3. So complete this exercise in your notebook with neat and clean diagram. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.